Let's upcycle this old jar into a multifunctional candy jar. It's perfect for the holy month of Ramadan. First, you'll need an empty glass jar and velvet fabric. Cut the fabric to cover half the jar. Add the glue to the fabric. It will dry quicker if you add it to the glass. Glue the fabric to the jar, like this. You don't need to add to the sides because I'll fasten them with something else. Fold the end like this, then glue the fabric together. I'm adding this beautiful decorative strip to the top and bottom of the fabric, like this. Make sure to add the glue to the jar and the fabric simultaneously, as you see in the video. Even the strip should cover the jar and fabric at the same time. Always start the strip where the fabric is connected. You can leave it like this, and insert LED lights or a candle inside it. Or you can continue and decorate the lid as well. Cut the fabric bigger than the lid, then glue the fabric to the lid like this. Make sure that the fabric is as tight as possible. Cut out the extra fabric. Use the same decorative strip and glue it around the lid, like this. And there you have it. A simple and easy idea. You can use it to store anything you want. You can use it as a candy jar, or you can add a candle. Look how amazing it looks in the dark. You can replace the battery-powered candle with LED lights.